Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to create a mesmerizing mandala tea coaster with vibrant neon colors on a black base. This artwork is perfect for home decor, gifting, or simply as a creative expression. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoy the video. I am using a dotting tool to create a vibrant red circle in the middle. Surround it with smaller green and yellow dots to form a floral pattern. I am using round MDF board as a base. You can also use canvas or thick paper. Firstly, I painted the base with black acrylic color to make the neon shades pop. Did you like this color combination? Please let me know in comments. I used 4 neon colors: orange, pink, green and yellow. Are you enjoying this video? Let's continue. You can also use different sizes of dotting tools. The selection of your colors should be attractive, vibrant and eye-catching, so the outcome will be attractive. Moving forward, I am making leaf-like strokes using red and yellow paint. These strokes give a lively and dynamic effect to the design. Next, I am adding green curved lines and smaller dots in between the petals to enhance the detailing. For adding depth, I am blending the red and yellow strokes to create a gradient effect, giving the mandala a more fluid look. Make sure to balance the colors evenly throughout the design for a harmonious and eye-catching pattern. I also made the pastel shade tea coaster as well. It was also looked nice. If you want to order any custom dot mandala, you can comment and I will guide you how to order my products. I hope you are enjoying my video. Have you ever tried dot mandala? Which challenges you face? Let me know. I will guide you in my next video. I forgot to tell you about the size of this MDF. Its size is 4 inches in diameter. Which color combination you want to see in my next dot mandala? I will definitely try in next artwork. You can also check the mandala follows a perfectly symmetrical radial pattern, creating a sense of balance and harmony. The repetition of dots, lines and curved strokes enhances the visual symmetry. The leaf-like strokes gives the mandala a natural flowing feel. The curved and layered strokes create a sense of movement, adding to its dynamic look. This mandala tea coaster can be used as a home decor piece, wall hanging or even as a part of larger artistic installation. Its round shape makes it visually unique and versatile for display. For protection, I applied varnish gloss. This not only enhances the colors but also makes the poster durable. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.